How to fix Windows security not working on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to get Windows security up and running properly again on your PC. First, click on the Start button and search for Services. From there, click on Services to open it. At this point, scroll down and find Windows Defender Antivirus Service or Security Center in the list. From there, right-click on it and click on Properties. After that, make sure the startup type is set to Automatic and click on Start if the service is not already running. In the next step, click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. From there, close Services and try opening Windows Security again from the Start menu. Once done, if it is still not working, right-click on the Start button and click on Windows PowerShell or Terminal and run it as administrator. Following this, type in sfc/scan now and press Enter to scan and repair any corrupted system files that may be affecting Windows security. From here, once the scan is complete, restart your PC and check if Windows security is working now. At this stage, if the issue persists, open Settings and click on Apps. From there, click on Optional Features and search for Windows Security in the list to make sure it is installed correctly. After this, if you are using a third-party antivirus program, Windows Security may show as disabled because it automatically turns off when another antivirus is active. This is normal behavior, not an error. Finally, go back to Windows Security and confirm it is now running and showing your protection status correctly. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Windows security not working on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.